Mark Golding, the leader of the opposition in Jamaica, supports the idea of Jamaicans with dual citizenship running for political office. This stance has sparked significant controversy. Golding admitted that he holds British citizenship, inherited from his father. This fact means he did not actively seek out British citizenship or take an oath of allegiance, he simply acquired it by descent. The Jamaican constitution permits individuals with dual citizenship to hold political office, meaning there is no legal requirement for Golding to renounce his British citizenship. The main argument from critics, particularly from the Jamaica Labour Party, is the question of Golding's loyalty. They argue that holding dual citizenship could imply a divided loyalty, especially in times of national crisis. But ironically, some of the same individuals who took the oath of allegiance are now questioning Mark Golding's loyalty. This is a clear case of hypocrisy, as they themselves have also benefited from dual citizenship. This calls into question whether the criticism is genuinely about loyalty or politically motivated. Mark Golding's British citizenship is a part of his heritage. Renouncing it could be seen as denying his familial and historical background. Despite Jamaica's colonial history with Britain, his citizenship by descent is a fact of his personal history. It is a paradox when individuals living in countries with predominantly black populations express strong sentiments against being ruled by a white man, yet they eagerly seek opportunities in countries that ruled by white leaders. This contradiction is worth exploring. Don't get me wrong, because the desire to travel to or live in white-majority countries often stems from a desire for better economic opportunities, education, or a perceived higher standard of living. This is understandable, as many countries with predominantly black populations face significant development challenges. However, it's essential to acknowledge the inconsistency in rejecting the idea of a white leader while simultaneously seeking benefits from white-majority countries. This dichotomy raises questions about the true motivations behind the rhetoric. The demand for Mark Golding to give up his British citizenship might be a political tactic. Should the same rules apply to everyone in politics, or are there double standards?